How to fix Facebook is not working Chrome browser on laptop or PC. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open up Chrome browser in your laptop, obviously. I will only show you on my mobile as much as I can, but simply follow the steps in your laptop and your problem should be fixed. Number 1 is turn off hardware acceleration if it is in use. So all you have to do is tap on the 3 dot, go to settings, search for hardware acceleration. In my phone there is no such service, but in laptop there should be. After you find hardware acceleration, simply turn it off. Next step is to clear cache and browsing data. To do so, simply tap on the 3 dot. Go here. Tap on the 3 dot and you will see delete browsing data option. Simply tap on it, select delete data and done. Restart your PC for the third option. Make sure you have the latest version of Google Chrome browser and your problem should be fixed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.